Assalamualaikum. In the beginning, the name of Allah is most almighty and most merciful. So in this video we are going to create a search bar input filter. I will show you what is it, and I am going to take an example of the graph. Wait a second. Here you can see here. Wait, I will show you the grass or Amazon. You can say I will take the Amazon one. Amazon, you know about it. I think you know about the filters. That is most important part. If I come here and click here and write here key, and I will wait. I had write here key. So there we go. Keyboard, keychain. Like this we are going to know how can we create it. So but let's know how to create it. I will show you. Here is my what folder I work here in my folder, so I will open it. And my Visual Studio Code VS Code has been opened. Close it and wait. We will wait. Here my another Chrome has been opened where we are going to see the go live. And if you hadn't subscribed my channel, so subscribe it to get up my new videos and new content. Wait a second. I am going to open it again. Come here. Close program. And okay. Now come here. First close it. These are my all work I had done. Here I will create one more folder, not in it. I will create here, not in this one. Like this, create here a folder with the name of what? The filter. My folder is filter. I will create here index.html. Filter index. Filter index.html. and if you don't know about the JavaScript, you have to learn first. And here what I am going to do, put the doc type here and input, you can say like search bar filter. Now to create search bar filter, you need here first an input. Exactly, you need an input. What input will go to hash display, and here what you will go on key down. There will be a function that will be called on come down. Now here you need here an paragraph and make here an ID of what you can say work. Write here the script. If you don't know about the arrays, so you have to know object. You have to know about object. First you are going to call them const display equal to document dot get element by the ID. What will be the ID? ID is going to be display. Duplicate it. After display there will be work. There will be the work too, and the main thing, semicolons. Here you are going to write a work dot inner HTML equal to what? Not this one, the state bracket. In it you have to write the names or card. I think that will be card. Cards, what will the cards are going to be? I will call here an H2 cards. The first is going to be supra, and then you have need here and br2. Copy this br, and then you have to need here and comma. After comma, what you are going to call the same thing br, and here the next card after supra there will be an civic, and then comma br, and after that I will call here what, for example swift, then comma 2, and after that swift, after swift land cruiser. After that I will call here, for example I am going to call Mercedes, comma, and the last card I am going to put here, that will be G-Wagon. That is not long word. If you know JavaScript, you can create it on yourself too. Now you need here an if. You have to call what, display dot inner HTML dot inner HTML equal to what, you equal to what, the first number we need the s. I will do it smaller one, supra and then swift. Okay, you need here the s, and then you will call here the curly bracket, and you are going to make work dot inner HTML equal to what, state brackets, and then there will be the same br, and then there will be the supra, and then after that there will be what, the swift, I will put it here, save it. Now you can go live from here. Now you will see here the go live. Wait for it. Wait a second. There is my card. If I call here what, supra s. Wait. We have to create a function too. There will be a function on bracket, curly bracket. Not that long. Come down. Here you need, and put it in it, and then save it. Come here, s. Words not showing. Wait. I will call here the s. U work dot inner HTML, but why it's not? Wait, finish it. Finish them and put it here like this, and finish it too. Put it like this. Save it. Refresh it. But why all cards are not coming? Here we need Control Z. Save it. S U P R A equal to soup. Okay. I know what is here. You need here the value. Save it. Now it will be S U. Okay, there is it. But if there is nothing, so it have to show the whole cards back. So what you have to do after that, you have to simply copy one more function that will be on bracket, the same thing. Here what you will call here the if too. If the back the if. You can don't you need many functions of on, you have to need one. Call here if you will write here display dot value. Display dot value equal to what? That is blank. So but it have to show the all cars. Copy it and you have to simply paste it back. Wait. You have to put it here. Save it. Now wait. The curly bracket of it. Okay. Like this. Save it. Here is I call Supra. Okay. Come back. You have to click 3 times the backspace. That will be show. Let's do 3 times. Done. It is showing now. Like this. Now what you are going to do? Simply copy it. After S you will say the SUPRE. And then like not SUPRA, you can call capital S. If I show you first, there is nothing. If I call but SU, so that shows now. But if that is capital, so it is not going to show us. So we will create the capital 1, 2. Save it. Now if we write here capital, so that will be show it too. Simply copy it again, and after Supra there will be the another one that is going to be Civic. And then there will be one more thing. What? That will be Land Cruiser. Here. Save it. Now come here. If I called here the Civic 2. Wait. We have to do it C and duplicate it. The capital C. Save it. Now if that is C I, there will be it. But if that is what? The capital CIV, so that will be it. So now what we need here? We have to show it like Dras. So if I open the Dras and there is nothing in the page, only the images, we have to hide it. First come up. You have to finish this cars one. Come down. Here. Come back. This is it. But we are going to change it. Come up here. Write here work dot style dot display equal to none. Save it. That is none. Duplicate it. Put it on empty one too. If that is empty, so show it like this. Like if that is Sue, so that is not showing. Why? Because we have to do the display blank too. Blank. And then come up, blank. Save it. Now if I call Supra, it will be came. But after that it will be gone. That is it. I will show you one more thing. You can add this one too. That what? You can see here, if anybody search C, so that will be shown there is not. Where is the C in the Land Cruiser? So you can write here one more thing. What? Font color equal to red. Color, not color, font. Save it. Come here. We are going to see Civic. There is it. The same thing. copy this font. In the civic 2, finish the C, paste it. Finish the and C, paste it, save it. Now if I write a word C, I, there is it. Come back. So here I add in one more thing. So that's how you can create word and filter of this, you can say input search bar filter. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my new friend. So take care and Allah Hafiz.